guys, thanks for coming to hang out at the trail next today. Now, a lot of you guys are probably stuck in quarantine like me, so with that being said, it's a great time, especially with trails being closed and stuff like that, for you to give your machine some of the love it needs. So today we're going to go to the old Polaris, and we're going to be doing the oil change kit, and we're going to be looking at some antifreeze. We're going to drain and refill that, and the battery tender. You know, it's something that, like, every time you talk to your dad or somebody like that, like, you change your oil, your battery's still starting your four-wheeler, you know, something like that. So we yanked the battery out because it's dead. We put it on the tender. We're letting it charge right now, and yeah, that's where we're at right now. All right, guys, first thing we're gonna do for the oil change, we're gonna come over here with a T40 bit, and we're gonna loosen up the drain plug and drain the oil out. So, it's a little tighter than I expected. There we go. Ooh, there it goes. All right. So, in the oil change, the hardest part is always trying to get the stupid filter off. So we got these, we used them today, it didn't really work. So we're going to show you another technique. Come on in here so you can get super close to where we can see. Zoom into this part. So what I typically do if I can't get it off with the filter wrench is I'll take a screwdriver like so. And then once I get that, you know, firmly pressed against the oil filter there, take the old hammer and then we just drive it in until we get it a hole punched in the side. And then once you get that hole punched in the side, you'll be able to turn it a little bit, and that's the hardest part of your oil filter over with. All right, guys, we finally got the oil filter off. We had to take off the whole footwell area just because we really couldn't get room in there to get a hold of that oil filter good to take it off. It's always the worst part of any oil change. We got the new filter. We're going to take the oil, we're going to put around the gasket of the new one, and we're just going to screw it in there. And from here it ought to be pretty easy. As soon as we get this back in, we'll throw some oil in it, and that should be it for the oil change. Alright, guys, we finally got that battery charged. We put her in there, tightened her down. And another thing we did while we were waiting is we took the air filter box off of the four-wheeler, and not the box, but you know, just took out the top of it, cleaned it, cleaned out the air filter and down inside there because it's pretty dirty. And we've also been doing this coolant flush. So the coolant of this four-wheeler goes inside the box here. The first thing we've done though, we've drained it. And we refilled it with some distilled water, let it run for a few seconds just to let it clear itself out. And we're going to refill that with coolant, and this thing ought to be ready to ride for a pretty good while after that. Now, as far as the maintenance on this thing, we're done. We'll probably move on to the side by side, maybe touch up a few things on that. But you guys, you know, stay out there. Watching out there, just be safe, you know, don't take any crazy risk. You know, everybody wants to go riding because you're quarantined and stuff, but you know, just be safe.